In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and begin using the Google Drive API through the Google Cloud Console and then stream a video using VLC Player. This process might sound a little technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to make it as straightforward as possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools you need to seamlessly connect with Google Drive through the API. Let's dive into it. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Google Cloud Console website. Once you're there, you'll be presented with an option to select a project. As we're starting from scratch, you'll want to click on New Project. This is the platform where you'll create a new environment for your API interactions. You'll need to choose a simple and descriptive name for your project, something like Google Drive, to keep it clear and identifiable. Once you've settled on a name, proceed by clicking Create. With your project set up, it's time to move on to API services. In the left-hand menu bar, you'll find Library, where you'll enable the specific API you want to use. Since we're focusing on the Google Drive API, search for Google Drive API in the search bar. When it appears in the results, go ahead and click Enable. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load. This is simply the API setting itself up for your project. Once the API is enabled, the next step is creating credentials, which are crucial for your project to communicate securely with the Google Drive API. Click on Create Credentials and select API Key. You might experience a slight delay as this process completes. Once your API key is generated, make sure to copy it immediately. It's a good idea to save this API key in a notes file for easy access because you're going to need it very soon. While you're organizing your information, take this opportunity to copy the link of the Google Drive video you wish to stream, placing it in the same notes file. Keeping everything centralized will make the following steps a breeze. Now, let's switch focus to VLC Player. Open VLC, which is a versatile media player and will be our tool for streaming the video from Google Drive via the API. Start by clicking on Media in the top menu, then proceed to Open Network Stream. This is the point where you'll utilize both the API key and the Google Drive video link. In the network URL field, you'll paste both your API key and the Google Drive link. And there you have it. You're now ready to stream your chosen video directly from Google Drive using VLC Player. Thanks for following along. By completing these steps, you've successfully set up Google Drive API access and learned how to play a video through VLC.